In this short tutorial, I will show you how to forget a Bluetooth device on your iPhone. Forgetting a Bluetooth device can be useful if you no longer want it to connect to your phone. It can also help you manage your connected devices better. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap Bluetooth. Now you'll be able to see all your Bluetooth devices. What you want to do next is tap on the I button next to the Bluetooth device that you want to forget. And then simply tap where it says, "Forget this device." And then tap Forget Device to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.